Hello everyone! Barbecue and grilling season is coming up, and our famous party food during this time of the year are barbecue ribs. I have tried multiple recipes over the years, including instant pot ribs, which I'm a big fan of. But I can tell you that this recipe I will share in this video is the most simple and gives the best taste and, most importantly, fall of the bone meat. Sounds amazing, right? So the main secret for the fall of the bone meat is low and slow cooking. I will pair this recipe up with the baked potatoes, which are cooked alongside, so requires zero effort. So let's get it done. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Step number 1. Place ribs on the foil tray. Sprinkle some liquid smoke on top. It will add a nice smoky flavor. Then season them generously with barbecue rub, salt, pepper, cover with the foil and send it to the oven for about 5 hours at 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Baked potatoes go really well with ribs, and more importantly, nothing needs to be done. Just season, add oil, cover it with foil and put it right next to the ribs to bake. So now we have about 5 hours. Time for a bike ride. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future videos. Step number 2. After about 5 hours, remove foil from the tray and put ribs back in the oven on high broil setting. It will make them a bit crispy on the outside. And this is really all you need to do. Don't forget to cover them up with a barbecue sauce of your choice. Don't be shy. Put a lot of sauce. It looks and tastes amazing. The best ribs you have ever tried. And if you like this recipe, you should also watch my next video on how to make pot roast in the oven. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.